We are at this rental property today. The tenant just moved in and noticed that there was a hole in this fiberglass shower. We somehow did not catch that even during the cleaning process. But today we're gonna just patch it up real quick. Let's just cut to it. There's not much to it. There's a hole in the fiberglass. We're gonna try to color match it, patch it, and so on. So let's go. Gotta clean the area. There's kind of a crack next to it as well, but it's intact. Real quick, I'm gonna interrupt this just to say that a lot of you watched my my tub and tile refinishing video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is why I'm actually shooting this instead of just quickly coming over here and patching this up. It seems like a lot of y'all are trying to refinish some of your tubs and showers. So I hope this helps y'all. Check out the other video if you're looking at reglazing like a tile or tub set, because that's been extremely helpful for others. But let's get right back to it. All right, we got this tub and shower repair kit off of Amazon, and it comes with part A, and it comes with some mixing colors so you can match your current fiberglass shower color. And then it comes with part B, which you'll end up mixing together later. And it comes with a couple of grits of sandpaper, and it comes with a spatula or a knife for you to be able to smooth the mixture with, and then a couple of toothpicks and a popsicle stick. I'll be taping off the perimeter of my patchwork here with electric tape because I don't have painter's tape, but you could use either one. Then I'm going to sand really thoroughly with the 600 grit sandpaper on here until I feel like it's rough enough for the compound to adhere to. And then again, I don't know if I can use this word too many times, but thoroughly wipe off all of the dust and everything from this space. Cleaning and preparation is the most important part of this entire project. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and mix these two things together. So starting with part A, I'm going to put some of this on my bottle cap here because I do not have Tupperware or something with me. Again, this is somebody else's house right now at the moment. So I'm gonna mix it here, equal part A with equal part B. So I'm gonna do one little popsicle stick scoop of part A and again part B. And you're gonna wanna mix this together for 1 to 2 minutes straight without any coloring or anything. 1 to 2 minutes, it's really important. Then with the color, I'm just gonna use the yellowish brown color, and just one little popsicle or toothpick dip in would have been good enough. I ended up doing 2, and it did come out a little more brown than I would liked. It did end up drying up nicely, and it matched a little bit better, but definitely just, in my case, I just needed one small amount. Use it sparingly. When applying and putting this on, you are going to want to work it into the hole. You're not just covering it and doing one small little coat. You're going to keep pushing it in and working it. I go top to bottom, I go bottom to top, I even go left to right, and you could just keep going in all directions until you feel like it's working really well. Once you feel like you have enough compound in there, you're going to go ahead and do a few final swipes to just smooth it out beautifully. This will reduce the amount of sanding you'll need later on, which in my case, I'm not going to do any sanding at all because it became smooth as glass. Now the satisfying part of removing the tape. Unfortunately for me, this tape did leave some dirt on the walls I'll have to clean off, so it's not quite as appealing. Then it's just cleanup time. This stuff is a mess, but luckily it comes with some gloves, and I'm going to put it all back in the plastic bag where I got it from. There is so much of this stuff left that I could probably do 2 or 3 more repair jobs with. So I'm gonna close this all up, put it back in the box, and save it for the next project. And I can use the old landlord special at another house. And there we go, it's all ready. Now obviously I mixed in a little bit too much of the brown pigment to this. It will lighten up as it dries, but it still looks pretty good. Obviously need to clean up some of my electric tape here. You can use painter's tape and you wouldn't have that issue. So I'll do that. But this is looking good. Again, probably shouldn't have added so much of that brown mixture, but it will lighten up. It's waterproof, it is ready to go. So thanks for following along. Now I will have this product linked down in the description below. It was really like 15 or 20 bucks, and it looks like I can do 2 or 3 more patch jobs if I needed to, and use a little bit less pigment. Super quick. And remember to hit that like button down below and subscribe, as it's the best way that you can support this channel, especially if I added any value to your life.